Sanctuary, Heavenly Birthstones, Part 13, compiled by Shirley Jean Street and read by Wayne T. Street. Among the objects God instructed Moses to build and use in the sanctuary services were the 12 stones of the breastplate. These precious gems were symbolic in many ways. Having the high priest wear this breastplate over his heart was assurance, then and now, that God holds each of his precious gems, the beings he created in his image, close to his heart. The serial arrangement of natal or birthstones adorning many today is unquestionably based on the list in Revelation, which in its turn goes back to the 12 stones of the high priest's breastplate. The knowledge that the birthstones we know today got their origin from the stones of the breastplate can help us understand how easy it is to get distracted from the original. Jesus often used nature to illustrate his meaning during his years of ministry on this earth. The colors of the breastplate gems and the elements they were made of were not chosen by chance. They have definite significance. Nature often reveals incredible sights and sounds like a serene sunset or the roar of rapid waters. These splendors fade away, but many of nature's beauties are more permanent. Within the compass of precious gems, we see the play of colors and tints. They dance on the heart of a pearl opal, glow deep within a mysterious ruby, shine in the striking brilliance of a sky blue sapphire, and radiate from a diamond's invincible structure. These qualities are permanent. Precious gems do not become tarnished with passing years. They are not affected by bitter cold or blistering heat. They give us a sense of permanence in our ever-changing world. Scientists searching to understand the makeup of precious gems are surprised by their discovery. Gems are made of simple elements. The soot that a geologist washes from his fingers is made of carbon. Diamonds worn by royalty are also made of carbon. Rubies and sapphires are made of the same elements as ordinary clay. Purple amethyst is basically sand, while precious pearls are chemically the same as chalk. God took the basis of elements and transformed them into the most precious of gems. The change from clay to sapphires and rubies, from soot to diamonds, from sand to amethyst, from chalk to pearls, is no more miraculous than the change Jesus will work out in the life of the most depraved sinner who will yield as clay in the potter's hands. Nature does not take silver or gold, which are valuable and beautiful in themselves, to make emeralds. It is not what is already priceless that is transformed. Elements which are considered common or worthless are what nature uses to make gems. Aluminum, one of the lightest of our metals, is changed by the addition of oxygen into the densest and heaviest of gems, the sapphire. The idea of simple elements being transformed into precious gems illustrates God's ability to take our natural tendencies and transform them into a better likeness of Him. The first necessary quality in determining a gemstone's value would be its beauty or splendor. Other important considerations are its transparency, color, luster, rarity, uniqueness, and portability. Another weighty factor is its durability or hardness, which is indicated by the gem's wear-resisting qualities.